We have to find the difference of 22.887 and 22.6798. So first we have to write the numbers in vertical columns, aligning the decimal points. So we have from 22.887 we have to subtract 22.6798. Next we have to check if we have the same decimal places in the first number and in the second. First we have 3 and the second we have 4, so we add extra zeros. 0 doesn't change the number, so we can do this. And now, how we subtract decimal numbers? We have to use the same rule like subtract whole numbers. So we start from the last column and we are going to the left side. And what else? In my opinion, is very easy when we first check if we have on the top numbers greater than on the bottom. 0 is less than 8, so we have to do borrowing. From 7 we borrow 1, so it will be 6, and now we have 10 at the end. 6 and 9 we have to again do borrowing. From 8 we borrow 1, so it will be 7, and now we will have here 16. 8 and 6, so 6 is less. Okay. So now we can do subtraction. 10 minus 8 is 2. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. We copy the decimal point in the same column. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. We don't have to write next 0 because it's still 0. It doesn't change the value of our number. We write only 1 0 on the left side from the decimal point. So now we can always check. If we add these two numbers, what will be? We have 0.2072 plus we have 22. When we add decimal numbers, we have to keep the same place, decimal points. And now we have to just add. When we add decimal numbers, we use the same rule like for adding whole numbers. So we start from the last column. 2 plus 8 is 10. So we have to write 0 and 1 we add to next number. So will be 1 plus 7 plus 9. So this is 17, 7. And we add 1 to next column. 1 plus 7, so will be 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. Decimal point we have to copy in the same column. 0 plus 2 is 2. And 2 we have. We got exactly the same number which we have at the beginning. So our solution is correct.